Welcome back to Altitude Addicts. In today's deep dive, we are breaking down a massive twist in Indian military aviation that almost nobody saw coming. India has officially kicked off its high-stakes medium transport aircraft contest, and a project once left for dead is suddenly knocking on the door again. We will explore whether Russia's revived Ilyushin Il-276 can truly stage an epic comeback, how it stacks up against giants like Lockheed Martin and Embraer, and what this means for India's aerospace future. Stick around till the very end because the technical and industrial chess game unfolding right here is wild. India's medium transport aircraft program has unexpectedly revived an aviation project that seemed destined for the annals of history. A potential contender for the Indian Air Force's new transport requirement is the Ilyushin Il-276, which is descended from the earlier Il-214 multi-role transport aircraft program. Russia is once again positioning this aircraft. The timing of the development is critical. India's Ministry of Defense released a request for proposal on August 12, 2026, for 60 multi-role medium transport aircraft. The program is estimated to be worth nearly 1 lakh crore rupees, or approximately $10.5 billion US dollars. The primary objective of the aircraft is to upgrade the Indian Air Force's tactical and operational airlift capability and replace the aging Antonov An-32 fleet. The tender presents Russia with an opportunity to revitalize an aircraft concept that was originally conceived as a joint Indo-Russian initiative over 2 decades ago. To really get why this matters today, we have to trace the road from the early days of the Il-214 straight to the modernized Il-276. The first MTA program was the result of an ambitious initiative by India and Russia to collaborate on the development of a medium military transport aircraft. The aircraft, widely known as the Il-214 MTA, was designed to replace the aging transport fleets, particularly India's An-32s, and transport an estimated 20 tons of cargo. It was anticipated that Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and Russia's United Aircraft Corporation would collaborate on development tasks. On paper, it looked like a total no-brainer back then. Initially, India intended to acquire 45 aircraft, while Russia was expected to acquire over 100. The project was intended to be a significant industrial partnership encompassing technology development, manufacturing, and design. Nevertheless, the partnership met financial, technical, and strategic challenges. Russia had affirmed the freezing of the Russian-Indian project by January 2016, and Moscow subsequently decided to continue development independently. The aircraft eventually emerged under the designation Il-276. The proposed aircraft's technological maturation and propulsion were a source of concern for the Indian side. One significant concern was the availability of a modern engine with a sophisticated digital engine control system that could provide the necessary performance in challenging operating environments. But now, an unexpected second chance has opened up through India's brand new transport requirement, completely changing the equation on the table. India is currently in search of an aircraft that can transport between 18 and 30 tons, which falls within the broad category for which the Il-276 was designed. The new aircraft is anticipated to execute a diverse array of missions, such as personnel movement, cargo transportation, and operations from difficult terrain. Prior to the most recent tender, Russia had already resumed negotiations with India regarding the Il-276. In 2025, reports suggested that Moscow had once again offered the aircraft to the Indian Air Force. Stay with us, because coming up next, we examine the massive heavyweights standing directly in Russia's path. And trust me, you will not want to miss how the competition stacks up. Subsequently, HAL has been examining the feasibility of a joint proposal between Russia and India with the objective of customizing an existing Russian platform to meet India's needs. This is significant because the proposition is no longer necessarily a simple restart of the original Il-214 program. Alternatively, Russia could propose the upgraded Il-276 as the foundation for a new industrial partnership. That distinction could prove important in the current procurement environment. Yet any optimism has to face reality because Russia faces formidable and aggressive global competition in this arena. The Russian proposal will not be submitted in an empty field, as major international aerospace companies and Indian industrial partners have already jumped into India's MTA arena. Let's be real, going up against established Western supply chains is a whole different beast entirely. Lockheed Martin and Tata are associated with the C-130J family for India's broader transport aircraft requirements, while Embraer has partnered with Mahindra to promote the C-390 Millennium. Consequently, it is probable that the competition will integrate aircraft performance with industrial participation, technology transfer, local manufacturing, and long-term support. For India, this is not simply about buying 60 aircraft. The government aims for the program to make a meaningful contribution to the domestic aerospace manufacturing ecosystem of the country. It is expected that the nominated aircraft will be manufactured in India by a foreign original equipment manufacturer and an Indian industrial partner. That creates an important challenge for Russia, leading straight into the pivotal question of whether the Il-276 can truly meet India's rigorous expectations. The Il-276 has one obvious advantage. It was originally conceived around almost exactly the requirement India is now pursuing. The aircraft is intended for military transport missions, which include the movement of cargo and troops, and is designed to accommodate a payload of approximately 20 tons. That makes the basic concept highly relevant to the IAF's current requirement. If you are enjoying this breakdown, make sure to subscribe to the Altitude Addicts channel for regular, in-depth aviation analyses. Don't go anywhere, because right ahead, we look at the crucial high-altitude engine hurdles and the ultimate verdict on whether this Indo-Russian deal can actually cross the finish line. But India is likely to demand more than an aircraft that merely fits the payload category. The Indian Air Force will require a wide range of capabilities, including robust high-altitude performance, modern avionics, dependable engines, high availability, and extensive technology transfer. Additionally, Russia will be required to demonstrate that the aircraft can transition from a protracted development program to a credible production and support ecosystem. This is where the revived proposal becomes particularly interesting. The Il-276 proposal has the potential to be built upon a more contemporary technological foundation than the aircraft proposed during the original MTA program, as Russia has been developing newer indigenous aviation technologies and engines. There has also been discussion in reports regarding the potential for updated avionics and propulsion systems in the Russian proposal. However, these developments still have to translate into a mature, certifiable, and producible aircraft. What we are looking at is certainly a revival, but it is not yet a guaranteed reunion. For now, it would be premature to describe the development as India formally rejoining the original Il-214 project. The more precise description is that Russia's Il-276, the successor to the abandoned Il-214 MTA concept, is currently being reassessed in the context of India's new MTA competition. HAL is currently investigating the possibility of a Russian-Indian proposal. Plainly put, building a brand new plane from blueprints during an active procurement crunch is just a messy, massive headache. This distinction is significant because the initial joint initiative concluded several years ago. Instead, what is currently emerging could be a new partnership based on the significantly evolved Russian aircraft and the dramatically different industrial requirements of India. If HAL and Russia succeed in putting forward a competitive proposal, the story could come full circle. An aircraft conceived through Indo-Russian cooperation, abandoned after years of delays, redesigned as a Russian program, and later revived as the Il-276, could once again find its most important customer in India. The coming competition will determine whether the Il-214 MTA story receives a final chapter or a genuine second beginning. We thank the people who have liked and shared the videos and subscribed to the channel. We also thank the people who have hyped the videos